Hey guys, it's Aliyah and I'm back. This is like a very random video. Why? Because you see my hair, like it's like reddish. Well, I decided I didn't want the red anymore, so I'm dyeing it. And I'm doing it on my own. So I figured, why not record it? Okay? Twist. I did add the color. So do I like shake it until the color is like the color that I'm supposed to be dyeing it? I don't know if I'm doing this right. So if my hair comes out like looking gross and not the color that I wanted, I would cry. I would sob. I should read the directions. What am I doing? Okay. It's not giving me what it's supposed to be giving me. So, oopsie. Okay. So, I have two boxes because my hair is extremely thick. Twist it. And, okay. I do have to pour it in here. I did it right. But I have to shake it until it gets like, I think I have to shake it till I get, why can't I just use the blender? Why not? Because you gotta make sure like it's blended in here, like. Do they have like a freaking hair dye mixer thing? Because they have all my money. Like a blender for like hair dye. I should be doing both of these at the same time. What am I doing? Get a life, girl. Now, what I did was I just, ooh. I literally just washed my hair yesterday, but I couldn't wait because I have work tomorrow and I was like, oh my god, let me do it tomorrow. But like, work is really tiring. So I was not going to do it tomorrow, and I was not going to do it Wednesday, and I was not going to do it Thursday or Friday. Or Saturday because I work again. So we're doing it today because I feel like doing it today, and all the other days I will not feel like it. You feel me? I'm really like, I'm a comedian. I don't care what anybody says. I'm funny. You gotta get to know me first though. Like, I'm not funny. Like, if you meet me for the first time in person, I'll be like, oh my god, hey. But like, the funny don't be coming out. Like, here's my issue actually. So I do be serious, like I'm so serious, and then people think it's funny, but I'd be like, where was the joke? I wasn't joking. But like, I think my brother's sleeping, but I think I'm a comedian. Anyways, how's your day, guys? So when I'm posting this, it probably took me a while because I have another video that's gonna be up before this one, but I was sick. I'm talking about like, you know what? Let me mix this first and then, yeah, let me mix this. Okay, guys, I'm back, and whoop-de-freaking-do. Why? Because I was told that apparently I'm not supposed to wet my hair, and I was gonna like detangle it and whatever. But like, how am I supposed to know that? It doesn't tell me on the box to not wet my hair. Like, I feel like I just be wetting my hair. So, listen, dog, you need to be quiet. but I wet my hair so that freaking I could detangle it, but whatever. Anyways, here they are. It looks good. Maybe I should dye my hair gray next. Haha, just kidding. My hair will gray naturally on its own. It runs in the family. So fun. Anyways, good thing I didn't like soak my hair because that would have been insane. Now, this is the brush I use right now. It works good. But according to TikTok, Denman works better. But it's just like anytime I use the Denman brush, they break. So I think okay, well, I gotta take a time out again because my hair has to dry. And it's like, the back of my hair is dry, but like, the top is not. So, we're gonna take a break again and drink some Dr. Pepper. I'm an avid, I hope I used that word right, but I'm an avid Dr. Pepper drinker, and if you have an issue with it, don't, because I'm drinking it, not you. So, lots of love, and I'll be back when my hair is dry. My gosh. Okay, we're back and my hair's dried. So you know what that means. We're finally getting down to business. And my brother's awake. Unfortunately. Anyways. I look like freaking Buttwood Clown, if you know who that is. But we put the gloves on, which smell like crud. Anyways. How do I even open this thing? I'm scared. Okay. It looks like... I feel like I need to shake it more. I feel like that's what needs to be done. Wow. I mean, it looks like it's not mixed. There we go. There we go. Now what I could be doing is using my brain and just putting it in my hair. This looks like McDonald's secret sauce. You know what I'm talking about? Mm-hmm. You ever seen that video of them like making the McDonald's chicken nuggets and it's like this pink? This
8 hours later.
Okay guys, I'm at work. Here's how my hair came out. Like, I was like trying to record it yesterday, but I was so tired after freaking like blow drying it and my phone cut off. So here we are in the break room and my hair looks great. I'll show you guys when I get home, like it out of this thingy. But like so I feel like black makes your hair look like healthier. Anyways, let me go.